Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the Mercedes-Benz EQC. It's safe, silent, and smooth. Most of all, it's a true Mercedes. Ola told me there's a unique expression in Swedish, lagom. Lagom in the old days was when large families sat around a table having food and drinks. And if everyone got a similar amount, that's lagom. The ideal balance, not too little, not too much, just right, enough for everyone. Now, just enough is certainly not enough for Mercedes, but I like the idea of the perfect amount or the perfect package. And that is the EQC. Superior design, tremendous functionality, outstanding safety, comfort, unparalleled convenience. It's the Mercedes of electric vehicles. And now, please have a closer look and enjoy the rest of this evening. Thank you very much. Das muss man machen.